Changing your workspace name on Pirate Ship is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your workspace name easily. Step 1. Login. Access your Pirate Ship account by entering your email and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Workspace. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit workspace name. Look for the current workspace name displayed. Click on the edit button next to it and enter your desired new workspace name. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new name, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your workspace name has been successfully updated. Now you have successfully changed your workspace name on Pirate Ship. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to their support team.